What's up guys, and welcome to another episode of our Blokees series. And this time we are going to unbox this Defender version 5 Traitor to Tyranny with Jetfire on its front page. So last time that we have unboxed, I think we have been scammed because on the box itself we have identified that it has been sealed only with this tape, and the seal itself has been breached, and we have identified that we lost the card containing the the QR code for the Blokees collection. So that's the way they have done it. So I think I'm gonna try to avoid purchasing from that store anymore, or just take notice of the seals right next to the box itself, because as you can see, there's a tape here, another tape here, and also in here. So be careful whenever you purchase a Blokees, especially in local store in your area. So let's not delve into that. We're just going to focus on the one that we have, which is this Defender version, which is completely sealed. As you can see, there's the Blokees seal. So we're going to unbox this one. So let's start building. Let's go. Unseal this Blokees that we have, which is in this Defender version 5 Traitor to Tyranny, and hoping we got a good haul on this Blokees. Okay, let's set that aside. So again, there's no markings here that it has been breached or someone tampered the seals. So let's open it at the bottom with our handy dandy utility knife. So yeah, because each Blokees box would contain this silica gel, the Blokees pack, as well as the card. So let's go ahead and get the Blokees here. As we hear, there's a lot of contents for that Blokees. And who would we have in this box? All right, we got the brilliant Optimus Prime. Awesome, nice pick. So on the last video we got the Bumblebee, the brilliant Bumblebee. Now we got the brilliant Optimus Prime. So let's go ahead and start building this Optimus Prime. So let's go. Alright, so let's unpack this brilliant Optimus Prime right now. Okay, a lot of parts. And this is nice, cause we got the commemorative coin for this unbox. So before you throw the plastic away, make sure you don't have any parts left. So yeah, we got this commemorative coin that we're going to place here on our Apple Watch charger. So let's go ahead and start the build with this Optimus Prime. So let's go. Alright, so we got the Optimus Prime, brilliant Optimus Prime right now, and we have completed its build. So we got Bumblebee, Inferno, got the vehicle wheel jack, and this one Optimus Prime, he is the leader of the Autobots, and he's the one that uh, maintains peace and order in the Cybertron. So he's fighting the Decepticons because they do have different morals when it comes to the what they are fighting for. Optimus is the one that's fighting for peace and order, but Megatron is fighting for power and supremacy. So yeah, I think that's it for today's video, and I hope you enjoy our build series for this Blokees Optimus Prime, the brilliant Optimus Prime. So if you have not subscribed yet, I would like you to consider subscribing to this YouTube channel so you could get the latest update for our build series. Just like, share, and subscribe on this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you would be notified for our latest series. So that's it again for today. See you guys next time. Peace.